spec. Hi. Hello.
Yeah.
I'm Sweet Boy.
I'm Savage.
Savage?
Yeah.
Damn.
What's it?
You look so good. Trust me, like you're so beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Wow. So Savage, you live around?
Yeah, this is my house over there.
This your house?
Yeah, that's my parents' house.
Wow. Wow. Anyway, I don't want to waste much of time, okay?
Okay.
I like you. I would like to take your number.
You like me, Austin?
You know, I don't want to waste your time, okay? When I get a number, I'll call you, then we'll talk, okay?
Probably, I love my phone, and so
I'll get yours.
Okay.
All right. Okay. So, Savage, give me your contact.
If you could call it.
All right. Thank you.
Nice meeting you.
All right. Yo, me your boss.
Wagwan.
Me your boss.
Afa.
Ah, now
Asati.
what did you know the asemu?
What they 10 amount?
Boy. Magic. What's in the fee new?
I'm sure.
Oh, heady, your henny. What's in the fee new?
The fee any. If you to I come
once a mono.
A woman free
boy. Made man nom the fucking.
When they made you all.
Or papa fee when
they made.
No, why made? Oh,
yeah. Or you made. When they made. Papa fee. Oh, no. No, can't call this one. Or you made or
why made.
Red one. Boy, you think me pass? I can't pass me.
Masa, me do nyame. Tete, unim so about to about to dia me lie.
Let's make a chow ta.
Oh, he na see me ko girl no dey na e obesa na girl ko.
Hey, we are me boss. Tana say.
We are
Anayima. I want fair. Let's say,
I read them when sir.
Boko, patrol did the same.
Maybe Abena. Yeah.
Abena, you look so beautiful.
Thank you.
What you have here?
Annie.
How wow. I'm more money about what? Many munyam, much munyam. A dear penna. Sementia, or domo sign. Ye me muja, medical. Oh.
Come on, Bain.
When I'm feminine, John is what?
I need to me who's saying.
A pill.
Open my sister.
It's me a service. What?
But me a service in me a car.
When you say, it says,
oh, speak.
All right.
Me poor bit is so.
Huh?
Don't continue in a buy a dear. You're two in a buy a dear. When you mistake.
I didn't them.
We need them. Nestle. And so.
That's it. And that's right. I'm in calm, right?
On council.
Bye bye.
Go for now.
If I told David.
Yo, my G, yo, my G. Afa.
I don't think come idea na.
Ah, na sa afa.
What think come idea na be twetwe me ana.
Come na mate. Ah, na wo kwa kwaje number onzo ya rent. Asa wo kwa kwaje number on de oba be chele. O be.
Titi jai m kasam cho. Mas ma gene ka.
What's that be?
Gene se me nyane spec.
Ah!
Hey boy. Now your friend, what can you say me pa? What's this encounter now buy dia? Eh? Ha, some again can what's encounter now buy dia now in the speak.
Me.
Han.
Beba.
Ma wo Ghana ge ya kan so ma na hye me pa o wurade nyankopon. Hi.
Hello.
I'm Sweet Boy.
Okay, I'm Abena.
Abena.
Yeah.
Damn. You know, I love your name, okay?
I love your name too.
You know, I'm also Kwabena.
Oh, that's so nice.
Wow. You know, my friend came to tell me something, and I really don't trust him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
I want to confirm if it's true.
Okay, I told him he's not my spec, and then I wanted you.
You want me?
Yeah.
You want me? Damn!
Yeah.
Oh my God! You want me?
Yeah.
You know, actually, you're a very beautiful girl.
Thank you.
You're my spec also.
Aww.
I love, that girls like you. Okay, can you give me 360?
Oh, guys, like.
Can you give me 360? No.
Okay, why not?
Excuse me. What am I saying? Ouch. Okay.
So what do I need to?
Okay.
It was a plug
I
thing,
scratch your neck. Take the number. Take the number.
So who you jam out for Chroma say I'm
Take the number.
Hey.
They talk about you, but I never believe.
Wow.
So we have to twist this to be a trait for me.
Set me.
Say so what? Hey! Look at you. Stop pretending.
One said that.
Stop acting like a child.
One shall fake.
Do you know something? You're not supposed to be called a man. You are a boy. In fact, you are a child.
Say you.
Say what you crying? Who was 6 years and now 5 years?
3.
Mom.
What was I?
Ampa.
Hey, show when you so.
Say on say me madam for me to madam for catch him say gay.
Ah, say one thing yes sir.
Why now pen?
Me.
Why now pen? Meneno ka why pen? Kali.
What bodam? Open one munina.
Over wine. Meneno why now pen? Now. Now they know my what I'm for no corner chance. In the first place.
Say me madam for no so peri. Ana madam for no buy na girl na say on pen me no pay me. Ana make me back. I'm going to catch and say me pay me onya she. Ana force me say me family no or just or force me or pursue rape.
Savage. Wow.
I said everything. You're not supposed to say that.
Sounds me me phone.
For new.
I'm new. China hana me be so asem. You and you want a friend. Oh man. Like check me.
My show.
Do I look like do I look like uncivilized being to you? Show me you crashing be my own. Me say uncivilized bitch. Be a free a garbage. Like am I like I don't even know what to say. But you know something? You are such a stupid boy. You don't have sense. You have no manners. You are not supposed to be called a man. Hey. You are supposed to be called a boy. A child in fact.
Why not you diaper? Why? For you diaper.
Crashing bema. We need see.
For you diaper. Why?
I shame you crashing the number man. Oh, block me number no. Crashing bema. We need see. Onaya say chale.
My friend.
Pass and film. So that cover between propose you.
You seriously?
Like these people don't have sense. These boys don't have sense. Boy. It's your fault. You made me talk to this mannerless guy.
Okay, let's go.
because these people are supposed to leave this area. In fact, it's like, hey, if you touch me, I'll descend on you. Don't try it.
Message you what TikTok why?
Let's
Watch it even at all.
see, we see so.
About one way.
Come on, na pamba so. O show wa chia.